Hello everyone, welcome to this training about how to start utilizing the 7K Wealth System app. Go to your App Store or your Google Play and type in 7K Wealth System. Once it is downloaded, go ahead and open the app. At this point, it's going to ask you to enter your information. You can go ahead and enter it at this time. And this is important. This is setting up your account and will be utilized for future login information. And so you want to make sure that it's in there correctly. Create a username and password. And confirm. And go ahead and sign up. Oh, it'll tell you if you don't match them up, so make sure you do it the right way. There we go. All right, you can also utilize your Google account or your Facebook account to sign up this time. So at this point, you're just going to select the basic pack. We don't have any other packs really that are there, but this tells you everything that's in that basic pack. You get it with your information. Here you're going to just put in your user info, right? And we're just going to put this information in here so that in the future they have that information in the system for you. And as you can see there, we're in multiple countries: Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, and the United States of America. So just put the one that you're in there. And this basically gets you into the system. To get started, you're going to be selecting how you plan on working the business. Sometime, part-time, full-time, okay? This just helps set your goals for you, so be truthful in this. This will just help you to plan. You can always change your goals at a later time. This is just a startup and a setup point for you. So let's say you're going to plan on going full-time. You can now link your personal accounts here, your Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and if you have a website link, you can actually link that at this time. It's not necessary, but this is where you would do that there. Next, you're going to put in your 7K username. And this is going to be important for you guys because this is what links all future information to your account. So just put in your username, whatever that is. I'm just going to use this one for now, but just take to the next link. So now it's time to start. You got to go to your resources. It's going to actually link to your people that are stored in your phone. Go ahead and select 5 names at this point. So we'll just say, we're going to select these 5 individuals, and we're just going to hit the little check mark in the upper right-hand corner to complete that. It's going to import those leads for you. So now you're set up and ready to start using the 7K Wealth System app. We'll give you more training here in future chapters, but everything is very easy and self-explanatory. So watch for the next training, and we'll take you there next. All right, now that you have set up the app and contacts, the next step is to All right, now that you have set up the app and you've downloaded your contacts, the next step is to look at these contacts and figure out ways that you want to communicate with them. Let's click on one of these individuals. And as you can see here, you can share information, you can call them, text them, or email them. You can actually set up a to-do list. There's also notes that you can leave on this individual and details about this individual. And so these are for future campaigns, and we're going to stick right now to sharing and activities. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to actually, somehow connect with your contact and make sure that you talk to them first. Might even want to give them a star rating. Okay, let's say this person is super interested in buying gold and silver. They have collectible coins, so I'm going to give this person a 5-star rating in my system. And at this point, I'm going to say I want to share with them. Now, because I've already connected with them, I don't necessarily need to go in the connect section. I'm just going to use this as a way to kind of show you what's in here. But launch curiosity and membership. What we've done is we've done some pre-selected text messages that will allow you to connect with this individual. You can use it to connect with them through text messaging, via email, and those are the two most popular, and I would suggest you stick to those because tracking is the best with text messaging and email. And we also have social media links. So anyway, there's messages in here, and if you want to view those messages, swipe to the left, and you can just say preview, and it'll say this is what the message is going to look like. Now, you can always modify this message once you've gone to text messaging or email or social media, and it will allow you to do that. So at this point, you can just basically, this is a way to connect with somebody, to get them interested in talking to you. If you've already connected to them, you can actually skip this section. And I think the most important section is the share section, okay? Connect, share, make sure you're always connecting first with your contacts. Don't just text people random stuff or random videos or random resources without letting them know that you're sending them something. Very, very important that you do that. Let's look at the share section. There's a lot of information here. There's peak, present, follow-up, and testimonials. In the peak section, we have items on actual money, chocolate money. This talks about the chocolate bar versus a 10-ounce silver bar. Actual money talks about fiat currencies and why gold and silver is so important. Then we have one that's power of collecting. All these are third-party videos that are utilized to help pique people's interest in the importance of collecting gold and silver. And so again, to preview those videos, just swipe to the left and you can preview, or you can hit share and share those with your contacts. All right, going on to present. We have several sections in here. We have 7K overview, why 7K, how to get paid, wealth strategies, both in English and Spanish. And we also have a presentation in here on Sound Money Wallet, which is a huge advantage for all 7K members. A way that we've digitized gold and silver, allowed people to share between members, and be able to transfer funds between US dollars, gold and silver, almost instantaneously. So great presentation there. But again, all of these can be viewed just by sliding to the left and hitting the preview button. Very popular, that section. Follow-up section, we have the $1.2 million mistake. Very big story that we tell, and how to get paid. These are ways you can follow up with those contacts you have. And then we have a lot of testimonials. Lifestyle testimonials, product testimonials, income testimonials. All you need to do is click on those testimonials and send them to your link. Send them to the text message or send them to the email that you have on file in your phone. So that's the share section, you guys, and we use a lot of that information all the time. It's very popular. It's what piques everybody's interest and gets them interested in hearing a full wealth strategy presentation. And so very, very popular. The create section, this is how you enroll members. You can teach them how to sign up to your site. That's why it's important to put your username in that section of the enrollment page. And then you can also invite them to utilize the app as well. Customers, you can send somebody your customer retail site. They don't need to even be a member, and they can just buy from you retail. So that is all in your app. So this is what we call the resource section. Now you can reach this section through your contacts by hitting share, or you can also go to the more button on the far right and go to library, and you can see those same connect, share, create. Okay, so this is a big part of getting started, is understanding how to share resources with your contacts and doing that effectively. So do this well, do this often. The thing I love is once you've sent these contacts, you can go back in and you can actually look and you'll see activity logs, and you'll be able to see what portion of those videos were watched by the contacts that you have in your contact details, and you'll be able to see how much of the video they did watch, and it will track fully as long as you send that resource to them. So hey guys, happy recruiting. Have fun with this. This is a lot of fun. This is a great tool, and we'll take you here to the next chapter. Thanks so much. All right, everyone, this next section is your dashboard. Based off of the goals that you set when you set up your app, you can see that ads, it wants me to put 60 in there, and I've only put 4 in, so I'm only about 3% completing my goal. It also says I should have 60 shares and 30 clicks. Now this is a full-time effort. If you pick part-time or sometime, those goals will be changed for you, and they will be slightly different. So just understand that's there, and that's there for you. Down at the bottom, you'll see a to-do list. These to-do lists are crucial. Key business activities, building your contact list. This would be adding names into your 7K Wealth system, into the contact section. And so what it's asking here to do is build your contact list. Okay, we've done that. We're checking off things. Invite to a wealth strategy meeting. That means inviting one of your contacts to a wealth strategy meeting. Once that's done, you can check that off. Hold a wealth strategy meeting. And so, follow up, and there's certain things here that are going to help with that. Also, self-motivation, all the different things, take 30 minutes of personal development in the 7K Training Center. Get on a team strategy call, set goals, and review your why. Read at least 10 minutes of self-motivational material. And then last is setting up your business. Review the onboarding training, review the associate training, order your marketing materials, connect, share, and create. So all of these things, you can start checking them off, and this is a to-do list. Now here's an interesting part of this. If you can actually add to your to-do list. If you look at the bottom of this app, you'll see a to-do calendar. If you click on that, you can actually add your own to-do. There's a plus mark up in the upper right-hand corner. You click on that, add a title, add a date, okay, a contact, a description. This could be following up with somebody. This could be anything from make 10 contacts by the end of the week. This could be anything to organizing wealth strategy meetings in your local area. Whatever those things are, you can add your own to-do list. So very, very popular, and something that's that will help you get on track and be able to get on pace with your starting your business. All right, the other section is activities. This is a great way to view all activities. So if you've sent out shares, again, shares, these are the share areas to multiple people, you can come under activities and see all activity that has been done. Now, I have not shared anything yet, so you see no activity here yet. But that is something that you can experience for yourself. So make sure you watch it, because the minute somebody watches a resource and you see it tracked here that they've viewed even 40% or 50% of the video, you want to follow up with them. The last piece on here is the leaderboard. We're going to have different contests and things we're going to be able to put inside the app. Don't worry too much about that now. We'll get to that later. But a great way to get in here every single day and monitor how well are you doing in reaching your goals. Creating new ads, these contact ads to your 7K Wealth system, shares from your contacts, sharing resources. And the biggest thing is we want those resources to click. And so we want high engagement there. If you're sending a lot of resources and you're not getting a lot of clicks, we need to do a better job at connecting with those individuals and let them know we're just sending them a video to watch. It's nothing to be afraid of. It's just a resource, and it's information that you want to share with them. So you guys use the dashboard. It's a great motivator. It's there for you to help use it on a